in this video I'm going to update that point of interest location in our mini map. So we can close this one, also this map system, this material. Yes, point of interest minimap. So right here we have to get player character and then get actor location. We have to subtract this value with our owning actor location, point of interest owner location. Okay, and then we have to get the zoom and level dimension. We have to divide this level dimension with our minimap dimension, and then multiply this zoom value with this output, and then we have to divide both of this value with this output. And then I have to make okay, we do not do that. Let's break this structure pin and then let's set render translations. I have to make this vector 2D. Now here you can see our minimap, I mean point of interest in our minimap. So what we want to do, we want to clump that minimap in our minimap. So it should be clump at the end, but it's going outside. So let's fix that. So I have to break this link for now. Now I'm going to break this vector 2D and then I have to subtract this value with 0. Same thing for this one. And then we have to attend this to degree. Let's collapse them into a function. No. Rename this to find degrees. Okay. We need a output. Set this to float and this is going to be degrees. Plug this on valid, and now we have to find a coordinate. So to do that, let's create another function. This is going to be find chord. Basically this is the coordinate. So we have to do on this find coordinate, we need an input. This is going to be radius and degrees. and we need an output vector 2D vector 2D. Okay, so inside this node, in radius we have to clump float. So in float we have to get our minimap dimension, divide this value with 2, and I can plug this on maximum. And in degrees we have to add cos degrees and then sine degrees, and then multiply this value with our return value. I'm going to plug this x and y. Get this find coordinate, and I'm going to plug this right here. Decrease in radius we have to get vector length, plug this in radius. Now here I can see our point of interest is clumping on that minimap radius, so it's going outside of our minimap. So to fix that, you can do in radius, you can subtract some value. Let's set this to 30. I think 27 is okay. I think this is going to be y and this is going to be x. Okay, nice. That's nice. Now this is working properly. Let's spawn a marker. We can see this marker in our minimap also. That's nice. Okay, now open our actor point of interest, and I'm going to untick this one. Now I'm going to manually set this to okay. Show on main map instant readable expose on spawn. Instant readable expose on spawn. Okay, now I'm going to set this to show on minimap. show on minimap, show on minimap. Okay, now let me check. Here you can see we have this icon right here on this cave icon, but it doesn't appear in our minimap. So if you want to add that, select point of interest and then show on minimap. Now it's in our minimap, here you can see.